welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I haven't done a video in a minute, so I decided I'm gonna do a video on a braided ponytail, right? So that is what I basically did, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so hey guys, I was looking really serious here, but I guess I was just focused, guys. So I went ahead and got my expression braid pre-stretched before this video because I knew it would take some time to get it stretched. And what I'm just doing is just catching up my hair, catching up the braiding hair onto my hair with a scoochie. Okay, and before I even did this step, I went ahead and got my hair stretched, and I catch it up with Eco Style gel, and I did a center part. I wanted to show you guys that step, but I recorded it and the lighting was off, so I decided that I am going to just start my video right here. Right, guys? And so I got it into a ponytail. I am just gonna go ahead and turn around so that you guys can actually see the process better, because all I did was catch the hair onto my hair, right? So you guys can see it better and understand what I am doing around there fully. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair and wrap it around the actual braid, right? I found out that this is actually easy for me because my hair is light and it's not that thick. I think it can be done with thicker hair also, but it would have to be stretched properly in order to achieve this look, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and pin this with a hairpin. And don't worry about how it's looking now, guys. It's not going to look like this because I am going to cover it up with the actual braid, right? So as you can see, I am just separating a small section from the braid because I'm going to use that at the top of the braid when it's all finished, right? So I'm just going to use a clip and just separate that. Okay, yeah guys, and if your hair happens to mess up during this process when it's all braided, you can just go ahead and just fix it up a bit. So what I'm doing is I'm just separating the braid into three so I can go ahead and start braiding my hair, right? And guys, whenever you're actually separating the braid, just make sure that you don't get it too tangled, because whenever you start braiding, it's going to be a problem. Okay, so since you guys saw what I actually did around there, I'm just gonna turn around and start braiding where it's more comfortable for me, right? But I just wanted you guys to see that process of how I actually hide my hair. And some persons can actually braid their hair into the braid, right? But because my hair is natural and it's curly, I know it's going to look fuzzy and stuff, so I decided I'm just gonna wrap it around my root part of my braid, right? If my hair was straightened, I could have done it in the plait, but I'm just gonna do it like this for now, right? So I'm just plaiting my braid. And guys, I don't know the feeding method, you know, where you're feeding, like where you actually put in the braid if it needs more braid, like whenever you're plaiting it. It's my first time doing it, so I don't really know how to do that. So I decided that I was not going to plait my hair really tight so that it can still look fluffy and big and nice, right? So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah guys, I'm just plaiting the hair, and some persons tend to plait it all the way down to the end, but what I'm going to do is I am going to use a elastic band to secure the end of my braid, because I want to add some curl at the end, right? Yes, I'm just adding black elastic band right there. Yes, man, was I focus? Anyways guys, so after adding the elastic band, what I'm going to do is just add a rad to the end, and just so it can have a little curl and, you know, look nice, have a finishing look at the end. Right, and for this step what I did off camera was I just boiled some water and dipped the rad into it and left it on for a few seconds, and then I just took it out. I removed the rad and it was curled. It was real simple, and dried it with a towel. Right guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to prepare the top part to fix my to give the braid a finishing look. But guys, guess what happened? I did not wrap the hair tight enough around the root part of my braid. My actual hair, I didn't wrap it tight enough, so I had to go back and do it again. It's the same step though guys, it's the same thing that I did before. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tack it with a hairpin so it can stay in place whenever I wrap the actual braid around it to hide it. So yeah guys, all right, so what I'm doing right now guys is just yeah, I was just trying to get that real secured. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some eco style gel on the braid, because I want the top part to look really smooth and I don't want anything to be sticking out. And I'm just gonna add the eco style gel and brush it a bit so it can look really smooth. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but I chose to do it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I was gonna start the wrapping the hair, and then I realized, you know what, let me turn around and show you guys what I'm actually doing, because guess what, I know that you guys would like to see this step, because this step is very important, and this step actually gives the hair the look that the finishing look that it needs, right? So what I'm doing right now is just wrapping this hair around. So yeah guys, I'm just wrapping the hair around the braid, and I'm making sure it's done really tightly. And yeah, because I wanted to have that nice finished look and secure. And guys, it's my first time doing it, so I will try this again, and hopefully next time around I can get a more, you know, try to see if I can actually do it any better than this. But for my first try, I think I actually did a very good job. And yeah, I was just making sure everything was secure and tightly done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a hairpin to secure it. Make sure your pin is in a space, in a place where it is actually comfortable for you, because trust me, hairpins can be uncomfortable in your hair, right? So I'm gonna take another hairpin, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and secure the other end, right? And guys, after watching the video, I realized that there was some hair at the back that was not secured properly. So I went ahead off camera and I fixed it, but I was not seeing it at the time. So don't come for me, guys. I was not seeing it, but I saw it afterwards, right? So my ponytail is finished, and I'm just fixing up my little edges with some Eco Style gel, because I don't really do a lot of edges up at the top part of my head. I just do it at the side part because I'm not really good at it, so I just don't do it at all, right? So it's just me barely but doing my edges right here, right? Yep. Yeah, guys, I actually like how it look. It's looking really nice, and it was simple. It wasn't really hard for me. Didn't give me a lot of work. So this is how I actually do it step by step. So yeah, guys, I wanted to put this in the end part of the video to show you guys how it was looking, and I just went ahead and put on 2 hoop earrings because I realized that braid look really nice with hoops. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.